How to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem in Windows. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Control Panel. In Control Panel, click on View By. In View By, make sure it's in large icons. View By is located on top right corner of your screen. In here, search for mouse. And then in double click speed, make sure it's fast or anything you prefer, then go to pointers. If you need to make any settings, select it, or otherwise click on wheel. In wheel, make sure the following number of lines at a time is 7 and horizontal scrolling is 4. Simply click on apply, then OK, and then you're good to go. That's how to fix mouse wheel scrolling problem in Windows. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.